Hello, how's everyone doing? Thanks for watching the video. Today in this video will be the first high altitude flight that I've done with the Yuneec Mantis Q drone. This is also actually my first time my kids have seen it fly, even though they won't barely see it once it gets up really high, but they definitely enjoyed watching it fly around. Hope you enjoy the video. Here's a photo I was able to grab off my phone once it reached max height. The reason I knew it did because it gave me a warning on the screen in the corner. It was flashing green and it stopped going, up higher. Definitely pretty good, smooth ride on the way up, real steady, as you can see in the video. It handled great at that height. It wasn't windy that day, but it was pretty cloudy, pretty far out, as you can see in the distance. Uh, it handled great. It didn't waver at all. It didn't drop or dip. It just hovered there, which was great. My kids, they were watching the screen and they looked up and they couldn't even see it. It was really small, which is good, but it's also bad because you don't know where it is in the sky. But on the drone itself, the screen does show you where it is on GPS. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Next video we should have is near a park that we live nearby. That has a pretty good field that I can fly around in and do some more stuff where there's not that many trees. Once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and also turn on notifications. Thank you and have a good day.